2 Thessalonians 3 verse 5. And the Lord direct your hearts into the love of God and into the patient waiting for Christ. That's the message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to wait patiently and not to get rushed, because God has God is preparing God is preparing a way for everything in your life, and don't get rushed, because God will take care of you, and that God is processing your life for now. And the Lord said to you is, and what the Lord said to you is, don't get rushed, don't be mad, but just trust to God. And the process is heralding for now. God bless you, and thanks for watching my video.